In this video,
we will learn how to peek in Fortnite. Peeking in Fortnite refers to the strategic use of cover and camera angle to gain a visual advantage over your opponents. It's a crucial skill that can make or break your game. Without utilizing peek to their full potential, it doesn't matter how proficient you are at building or aiming. The key is to understand and leverage the concept of peeker's advantage. Peeker's advantage is an unique aspect of Fortnite gameplay stemming from its third-person perspective. Even when players face each other, they may see things differently on their respective screen. By adjusting your camera angle, you can see more of your opponent without exposing yourself and gaining a significant advantage. So in Fortnite, utilizing Peeker's advantage has two steps. One is your movement, and the second is a structure between you and the opponent. So suppose this is a structure, and on the opposite side of that structure is an opponent which you have to kill. So in order to maintain Peeker's advantage in this case, it is essential that you move. The best way to peek an opponent will be pressing the A or D button, but not holding aim down side because it will slow you down. Just raw peek them, then you can kill them easily. So this is the fundamental of using Peeker's advantage. You can mix various movements with it, like sliding, which will help you utilize Peeker's advantage at the fullest. So this is how you can peek your opponent easily in Fortnite and ensure that you kill them and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.